Hey friends, so I am 39 weeks pregnant today. I'm going to show you guys what's going inside my hospital bag. I packed it last week. I'm going to show you what I have prepared to take so far for whenever I go into labor. So I'm getting my room all prepared. I washed my Snuggle Me cover. I have my bassinet set up. And this is my little corner where I'm keeping all my hospital stuff that I'm taking with me. Okay, so this is my bag. I packed a personal bag for myself, a little backpack for the baby. I'm bringing this pillow with me just to make it easier to nurse. I'm sure they're gonna have pillows, but this is just really convenient. And I love how the ends come to a little point right here, and it's just easy to put around you to nurse. Also bringing my DockATot. I really have stuff for the baby, but I just want to have the DockATot with me there. I'm gonna start with the baby's bag. My backpack from the Thea. I love it so much. So I'm gonna get this open and show you guys what's inside. A couple little blankets. Blanket, really small blanket I'm going to put inside the DockATot. And then I'm bringing a bunch of newborn outfits to choose from. I have like a newborn hat, little onesies, newborn outfits. Some of them are different sizes. I don't know how big my baby's going to be, so I'm just bringing a couple different sizes. And I bring in a couple of hats too. So the hospital's going to provide onesies and hats and stuff, but if you don't want the hospital colors hats, then I would suggest bringing what you want your baby to wear. I'm bringing this Hippie Joey carrier for skin to skin, like after I have my baby, after everything's cleaned up. I'm bringing some wipes, got some nursing pads. I'm bringing some Her Baby hydration. I'm bringing some newborn diapers, a couple more in here, but I'm sure the hospital provides those as well. I just am bringing them just in case. I have a newborn bottle that's coming in the mail. I don't know if I'm even going to use the bottle. I might just stick just to breastfeeding. I'm bringing the Mom Cozy breast pump with me. It's like a hands-free. So excited about this.
What is this?
This is a breast pump. You have chocolate on these. There you go. I'm not finished packing for myself completely because I'm not like putting my toothbrush and personal items inside my bag yet because I'm using them every day. I am bringing hairbrush, toothpaste, and I'm bringing some rubber bands for my hair.
Mom,
You're welcome. I'm bringing this little bag with deodorant, my Super Zero shampoo and conditioner bar, and bringing my Cocoa Kind serum. I have to use the serum on my face every day. It just makes it feel so smooth. I'm bringing this heating pad. I'm gonna put this on behind my back. I'm bringing this, and I'll have to show you guys in another video what it is. After I have my baby, I'll show you guys. It is like a 30-foot long piece of fabric, but it wraps around your belly and it like pulls your abs together and pulls your stomach in. Just like a wrap for after you have your baby, and it just holds everything together, and it just makes me feel super secure, like my stomach isn't just falling out. So I'm gonna put this on like a day after I have my baby, like 24 hours after, or 48 hours after, and I'll show you guys how I put it on because I wear this for a couple of weeks. I'm bringing tube tops for after I have my baby. It's literally the easiest thing ever to nurse in, just so easy to pull down, no straps. I always use tube tops after I have my babies for the first couple of weeks. They're just so convenient. Bringing a couple different shirts and just changes of clothes for after you shower. I'm also bringing this, which is my Baby Hug Me pregnancy pillow. It's just so nice for sleeping, and I'm gonna be sleeping in the hospital bed, and I don't know how comfortable it is. I've had 3 home births. My first time having my baby at a hospital, so I'm definitely bringing this just for comfort. This is what I have so far. I still, like I said, I'm going to be bringing like my toothbrush and my makeup bag and just a couple of things like that I'm using every day that I will bring with me once I actually go into labor. I also, of course, am bringing my baby car seat, but that's already buckled in my car and ready to go. I'm also going to be bringing snacks and some drinks or something just to stay hydrated. Anyways, this is what I'm bringing with me to the hospital. Let me know if this video is helpful or if I missed anything. This is 39 weeks. I can't believe it. I'm so close. I had my last baby at 38 weeks. So we'll see when this little one decides to come. I'm thinking I'm gonna go right around my due date. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope my next video is gonna be my hospital vlog. I can't wait.